Christmas is not a ritual, but a reality and a revelation. Christmas is a sublime commission that has been given to each of us to take Christ's peace into our hearts and our homes. It is about giving and love. God's love for us and our love for Him and for each other. Christ was born not in a mansion, but in a manger, thus signifying that the meek and the humble will inherit the earth. The bright star of Bethlehem led the wise men of the east to their Christ in the manger, and they were successful in their life's pilgrimage. Their gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh symbolized their revelation of God. It tells us that we can give without loving, but we cannot love without giving. Precious peace can be acquired only by our goodwill towards others and by developing tolerance to people of all castes and creeds. Humility will enable us to believe in the equality of men of all hues. This cardinal message offers the most needed solution to the ravages the present-day world faces. Amid fun and frolic and short-lived celebrations, let us remember the real purpose of Christmas and God's love towards the deprived and the oppressed. The message of Christmas is that where there is hope, love, light, and life, the plan and purpose of God will reach.